far we're surviving the road test here. Even hold my full-size spare tire here. So tomorrow we're planning on taking this guy out to the Gila River up on the Goodyear-Avondale area. There's a good chance that there hasn't been a mud motor in that area for a long time, or if ever. It just rained, so hopefully it's pretty cool. So far it's surviving the road test pretty good. Plastic bag, keep the engine covered. Holding all my stuff pretty good. Definitely still have enough room if I'd wanted to put camping gear and whatnot in here. It would hold up just fine. Alright, I'm out here with my stepdad Tony. We off-roaded for a good bit down into the Gila River basin out here in the Tolleson area out by PIR. Trying to see how deep this is. That looks drivable. But looks like we're going to be putting in somewhere around here on the boat. Seen a lot of coyotes out here, that's for sure. Got some questionables. Looks like there's a lot of nighttime drinking and debauchery out here. Got some hypnotic. What's it look like on this side, Tony? Holy God. This is going to be interesting. Well,
I think we can get it. Then we can probably put in over there on the other side.
Yeah.
We'll go a little further.
Check it out. All right, water crossing, here we come.
Let's do this. A little water. Never hurt anybody, right?
Find out. Great. Crossing up the Gila River. There are plecostomus everywhere. I don't even know if this guy's alive. No, he did. Alright, so I guess first test we're gonna go over the rapids. You're not kidding. The plecostomus. Oh yeah, right down the center of this. So just hug left. Hug left a little bit. We'll probably go putt over a couple little bumps. Alright. This is what we're looking at. Alright, so we got the Arizona spam can unloaded out here on the Phoenix area, Gila River. Tony's throwing in some lines already. This is the mudskipper custom 7 horsepower kit with an 11 horsepower GX 200. So when we headed out here, helicopter up there, go do some work. My apologies, the rest of this is filmed in the wrong aspect ratio. I'll make sure to not do that again. Alright, so me and Tony are stepdad here. We're out on the Arizona SPAMCAN, about to go down the uncharted Gila River. We're gonna see what it does. See if Tony can make it alive over some rapids. Where's this turning? Nah, that's totally good. Well, we ain't fishing over there. That's not happening. Let me get situated. Like the end of the line. Making all kinds of noise, are you? Sounds of nature. Another giant dead plecostomus. Really relaxing up in here. Probably a lot of people that live in that area don't even know this is out here. Or they know and they party and trash it up, but it's really nice. We got skunk down here in the backwater so far. I'm doing the pull and trolling with my stepdad here. I'm hoping he lands a Gila monster out here in the Phoenix Tolleson area. So far we've heard gunshots. We've seen nothing but party supplies on each side of the bank. We saw a cop speed through here and drive to the river into a little drive. A helicopter caught behind us, so I pretty much assumed that we are in a drug smuggling area. I've never seen this much action on the water, even in Yuma, Arizona with Border Patrol. Oh! Tut, 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 tut. Alright, so we're gonna have to wrap up our fishing adventure. We got skunked. There's nothing in here. Probably is. Probably just don't know how to fish. Well, my truck is still here. That's a good sign.
Get it. Crazy run. The wild rapids of the Gila River. Here he goes. Too fast. Off into the wild. Never to be seen again. Got the two on me.
One thing that's really cool about the custom kit from Mudskipper right now is this adjustable handle. So you can turn it out. So this one, well, because that air filter's in the way, you have to take it all the way out. But normally if you have like a regular size engine, you wouldn't have to worry about that because the air box would be up on top. Alright, then clamp it back in there. Put her on back in. Voila. And then now it's back up in the inside of the boat and it's out of the way. So far, portable build number 2 after radio flyer has been pretty good on us. Definitely gonna have to go on a mission with radio flyer and spam can. David's still probably gonna beat me though. Alright, river trip was a success. Went out to in and out even. And it's looking pretty good. Good successful trip.